Hello everyone, my name is Jack and I'm part of the Visor Mark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another one of the Xiaomi smartphone series, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G battery performance. Are you ready? The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G is a stylish and efficient smartphone designed for multimedia enthusiasts, featuring a sleek design with a glossy plastic back and a durable 6.67-inch AMOLED display protected by Gorilla Glass 3. It offers impressive performance with an energy-efficient chipset, a 5000 mAh battery supporting 33W fast charging, and a variety of connectivity options, including NFC and an IR blaster. The device delivers a rich audio experience through a hybrid stereo speaker system and runs on MIUI 14 over Android 13, promising a smooth, customizable user interface. While its camera setup, including a 108MP main sensor, provides decent image quality, its standout features are its design, display, battery life, and multimedia capabilities, packaged in a device available in multiple colors and with IP54 dust and splash protection. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G joins the mid-tier between €200 and €499. It offers an impressive blend of advanced technology and user-centric design. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G achieved a good battery performance score of 48 out of 100. It achieved 2 days of use, translating into 51 hours between charges. It scored 1 out of 5 for smartphone battery efficiency, same as the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro and Samsung Galaxy A54. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G would use 3.2 kWh per annum, taken from the Visor Mark battery performance testing. Its battery performance is on par with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro, both scoring 48/100. The Samsung Galaxy A54 scores slightly lower at 42/100, indicating a small gap in battery performance that could stem from differences in software optimization or hardware efficiency. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G tends to consume more battery during social media use. However, it demonstrates superior energy management during gaming, making it a preferable option for gamers seeking longer play sessions. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G stands out with its exceptional battery life, offering 51 hours on a single charge, outperforming both the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro with 45 hours and the Samsung Galaxy A54 with 39 hours, despite sharing the same 5000 mAh battery capacity. This efficiency reduces the need for frequent charging, making it ideal for users needing prolonged usage without constant access to power. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G stands out with its strong battery life, efficiently supporting a range of tasks including commendable gaming performance, making it an ideal option for gamers. Its camera functionality and data transfer are well balanced in terms of power use, while video streaming and music playback meet user expectations for a satisfying media experience. Stay tuned for our upcoming smartphone battery performance review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.